Good afternoon. Welcome back to Just a Fox and a Bear. And today we are in Domingo, New Mexico. An historic train stop back in the day. Now only the rail runner stops here. The Amtrak goes right through. But this used to be a place to stop, get a quick bite to eat, and shop. Let's see what we got. So right there is the rail runner station. And you can still take the rail runner out here. However, there is not much at this stop. It is basically a pickup and drop off spot. But let's take a look at the old trading post. This is a great old building. Let's peek inside. Try not to disturb any lizards today. What a great building. I know a while back they were looking at restoring this building, and it looks like they've done a good deal of work, but they haven't got it all restored yet. But here is the porch of the old trading post. This has been restored. New glass has been put in. But yes, this is just a beautiful, beautiful old building. Let's swing back this way. What a great stop this would have been back when the trains used to stop here. Everyone get off. There would be vendors out here selling, as well as this cute little trading post to go inside. And it looks like at some point they're going to have a little cafe in here, which would be great. But yeah, what a wonderful place. Part of New Mexico history. Let's back up here. Again, this is Domingo, New Mexico at the train stop, the old historic trading post that's here on our exploration of New Mexico. And as always, thank you for watching my videos here on Just a Fox and a Bear. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, subscribe and like my videos, and stay tuned for more videos from New Mexico.